video, I'm going to do an unboxing of the iPad mini 5 and give you my initial thoughts on whether the iPad mini 5 is the perfect companion to the iPhone 12 mini. Now, if you bought the iPhone 12 mini, then likely you're one of those people who are looking for the perfect combination of portability, price, and performance, but want a larger screen for those times when you don't feel like squinting your eyes. The iPad mini 5 can fill that role. The iPad mini 5 was released in spring of 2019 and is a smaller version of the now discontinued iPad Air 3, but with fewer features, and by fewer features I mean it is missing one feature. There is no smart connector. Now, let's unbox. So similar to other Apple devices, they make it really easy to unwrap. There's this tab here that you just pull. Okay, let's get this out of view. Okay. I love the smell of new electronics in the morning. So, as you can see, it's wrapped in a plastic film. So let's remove. And let's put this to the side for now. Let's see what else is in the box. So we have a USB to Lightning connection. We have this small packet of instructions. Let's see how many stickers they include in this. Two stickers. In the iPad 12 mini box, they only included one. Let's put this to the side. Here's another item that's not in the iPad 12 mini box, a charger. This would come in handy. And that's pretty much it for this box. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the iPad mini. So it uses the Apple A12 chip with a neural engine. This is the same chip that was used in the iPhone XS a few years ago, as well as the iPad Air 3 that was released at the same time as this iPad mini in 2019. It also has 3 GB of RAM, which was the same amount included in the iPad Air 3. As I mentioned earlier, a lot of the features that you find in the iPad Air 3 you're also going to find in this, except that it's a smaller display and there is no smart connector. Improvements to this iPad mini 5 is that it supports P3 wide color, which means it reproduces much better color than previous iPad minis. It has a laminated display as well as an anti-reflective coating. Typically, a display screen has 3 different layers: the display panel, the touch layer, and the top glass. In a laminated display, these 3 layers are bonded or glued together as a single piece of display and glass. This reduces reflections when viewing the screen outside or anywhere where there's bright light. It still has Touch ID compared to the iPhone 12 mini, which is great during these times when people's faces are often covered when outside. It uses the Apple Pencil 1, not 2. It costs $399 for 64 gigabytes and $549 for 256 gigabytes for the Wi-Fi version. It also has a 8 megapixel f2.4 rear camera and a 7 megapixel f2.2 FaceTime HD camera, which is a big improvement from previous versions. And what's become a rarity in Apple devices, it has a 3.5mm headphone connection, which is great. Battery life for the iPad mini is about 10 hours. And finally, it comes in 3 different colors: silver, space gray, and gold. In terms of negatives, the only real negative I can think of is the fact that it uses the old Apple Pencil instead of the new Apple Pencil 2. And in order to charge this Apple Pencil, and I'm going to show you right now, you have to plug it into the USB port, like so. And this makes it really easy for it to be broken off by accident. So that's really the only negative that I can think of. Let me know down below whether you're going to wait until the iPad mini 6 comes out in a few months, or if you're going to just go ahead and buy the iPad mini 5. My philosophy is, if you have a need right now, don't wait until later. There's always going to be newer, faster, better technology coming out, but if you need to get something done now, just get the best that's available. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all of the support that you've given me thus far. And this is JC Tech and Finance, signing out.